Shosha nufathime rosesibona nayishashada nazo ngifuna nizwe le nkulumo yakhe laphana phakathi umthakathi esho laphana ukuthi bafuna i-meeting ephuthuma nomongameli wakuleli umnumzane uSergeant Maphosa ubambe njalo bafuna umuntu very close to him because bafuna ukudlulisa nje izinto ezimbalwa eziphuthumayo kungaze kushaye iy'teti zikaJune so kunothwasana khona amagama la sawubona.
President first must come and get the memorandum from us as men. Tomorrow we're going to announce where we're going to be. President, we would be happy. Anybody that advises the president, we would be happy as men of South Africa to meet the president and tell him what to do within 7 days. If the president can't come because of the busy schedule, we don't want anybody else, but we want somebody that works very closely with him. We would appreciate if it's a chief whip of parliament, because what we are going to be saying doesn't need political parties. It needs the parliament. Our memorandum is not going to be accepted by a mayor. We don't want the mayor to take our memorandum.
No premier.
No premier.
Yeah, at least deputy president.
No deputy president. The president. Or they can advise us where the president is so that we can take that memorandum and go and hand it to him. We will read it to the public.
Yeah.
The public in that press conference will know what things we spoke about with memorandum, and then we want to give the president 7 days to invite us in the parliament so that we can go there and ask men and women that are deployed by South Africans in parliament a question. The South Africans are crying. They've been crying for more than 10 years now about the illegal immigrants thing. Thousands and thousands of kids have passed away. A lot of policemen have been killed. A lot of people have been killed. A lot of young people have been dispossessed of their spaza shops. When are you fixing it? The border has a budget of 7.2 billion that the court ordered the parliament to build. I'm telling you something people don't know, that the court told the parliament to build the border. And it's got the budget, the tenders were out and everything. They need to tell us before the 4th of November, why is that border not built yet? Some are giving us technical answers when we sit with them in meetings. We don't mind because, you know, when you're in parliament, you're getting free flights, free cell phone, free food, free everything. You think you're smart. But the country is getting dragged down while you are in parliament. You should be ashamed of yourself. We want the president to address the issue of illegal immigrants. We want the president to address the issue of, we did not say black illegal immigrants. You must always quote me when I say these things. I don't say black illegal immigrants. I say illegal immigrants because there are a lot of them. But the reason why we are seem to be dealing with our ODAC is because it's here now. And they are doing these crimes in front of us. We can see it. The biggest crimes are done by illegal white people immigrants, are done by Indian immigrants, are done by Muslim immigrants, are done by Chinese, Bangladeshis, Somalis, Egyptians, you know, all these people. But they are staying there in Santi. They are staying in Umhlanga, in Palito. They are staying in estates. We don't stay there. We are relying on the same people who are staying there in those places to do what we do. They need to stand up also. Because this country is too big. We can't do everything alone. So police on the day must deal with the people. I'm happy because I just saw an article that somebody advised the government to allow these marches to happen. But according to Insizwa Nomtsizwa, there's only one march in the whole of South Africa. All men are going to hear tomorrow where we are supposed to meet. And if we are not in that march, you are in your town, you, according to us, disciplined men amadoda ahloniphayo, amadoda azumthetho, amadoda aholwayo. Ngoba ngeke sihole sonke. Uzothi uyahola konakala izinto kungcola igama lethu sonke singamadoda. Siyocela amadoda eze lapha esizomemezela khona kusasa. Sikhombisa uhulumeni sibaningi kangakanani. Akho ngolwesibingo ngomhla ka-30. Sikhombisa uhulumeni sibaningi kangakanani. Sifuna ukuhlala phansi. Sifuna nje ukuhlala phansi kanje. Uwalke 30 minutes udabula phakathi kwethu uyoshona le. Uwalke 1 hour. You must walk 1 hour. We will open one path in front of, in the middle of us. Uwalke scheme ufuna ube khona. Uwalke 1 hour ungawaqeda amadoda. Bese uyangitshela ehlela amadoda kanje. Ebeka ihlangu phansi kanje.
1 million men.
1 million men on the 30th. The venue is coming. Yeah.